Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to create a simple model by using Solidworks. First of all, click on File, New, then choose Part. Click on Front Plane and create Sketch. Click on Center Rectangle and create a rectangle and specify the dimensions 40 mm by 30 mm. Click OK, then go to Future, Extrude Base, reverse the direction and specify 50 mm long and click OK. Now click in this face and create sketch, normal to, draw a line, Now let's specify the dimensions. On both sides. Click on center line and create a center line from the origin point. Now click on this line and this line and this center line and click on symmetric. Click on this line and this line and this center line as well and create another symmetric. Now everything is defined. Go to Future, then Extrude Cut and choose Through All and click OK. Now let's create this hole. Click on this face and create another sketch, normal to, create a center line from the middle and choose line, now let's specify the dimensions. Let's create a relation between this line and this line and this center line and click on symmetric, as well as this line and this line and this center line, symmetric again. Let's specify the dimension from this line to this line and should be 5 mm. And here we go, everything is defined because it's in black color. Click OK, go to Future, Extrude Cut, Through All and click OK. And here we go. Let's create a nice color to this shape. Click to the appearance, then choose a nice color. Choose isometric view, and here we go. I hope you like this lesson. Thanks for watching and bye.